Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your JLab GO Air Sport earbuds. So first of all, you have to unpair them from this list. Click here to forget this device. Next, you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, and you have to keep that case open. And all you have to do is just to click 7 times quickly on each logo right here. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you can see, it blinks. And then the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take a look right here. It is also blinking. So it means that we successfully performed the hard reset. Right now, when you take them off, take them out of the case, they will move to the pairing mode automatically. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.